Hey everyone, happy Pretend Friday. It's super exciting, a short week. For those of you in my third core, fourth core, fifth period, sixth period, I am so sorry. I'm not sure what happened to my computer, except now she's making really weird noises and is super slow. So let's hope she keeps on trucking here. But thank you for your patience, your understanding. I'm sorry that happened, and hopefully that won't happen again. That being said, today was our day to proofread and edit. As I said in your classes, your first draft is never your final draft. Anything where you write a sentence or more, you should go back and reread at least once, if not 2 or 3 times. I don't care if it's a paragraph for Mrs. Goss, a short response for Mr. Martin. In a few years when you all have to fill out job applications, a lot of them ask you to write. Please make sure that you are checking your work. You're not missing words, you're not misspelling things, you have capital letters, so that's what we're looking for today. So make sure your Twisted Fairy Tale paragraphs 1, 2, and 3 are done. If they are all in one doc because you wanted to see them together, that's cool. Make sure you label them for me so that I know you did each of the 3, because I'm grading them separate to help boost your grade up just a tinge. You're welcome. That being said, I have also posted a checklist. So this is what's due this week. Let me know where you're at, just so I can see where you're at. Remember, the 30th is the end of the quarter. I need all of the work in by that day. I have until I leave here at 3:30 on the 30th to grade and get grades in. And after that, there is nothing I can do to go back. That's sort of where it has to stop. If you have questions, please ask. 1:30 to 2:30 is my office hours, and as I opened up to all of you guys, if you want to help and or need help with ideas or proofreading your story, please jump in. I have students willing to show up that enjoyed this assignment, and they're willing to share ideas and get you started. So if you think you're stuck in a little rut, that's okay. It happens. They're willing to look at your work and help you out, and it has nothing to do with me. I'm just going to set the meet up so y'all can share your screens and help each other out. Don't forget, we have our Illuminate test, Membeam, and your weekly reading log. Remember that we are officially nixing the journal as of this week. So if you have missing work that needs to be done there, please do it. But nothing new will be put in there. So your reading log is here, as well as... See, I told you she was super slow. She is not happy. For those of you that didn't witness it, my computer died and made a sad noise in the middle of live classes for the last half. So here are your books. Feel free to read them. Let me know what happens in your reading log. Don't forget Membeam. And our Twisted Fairy Tale. Any late work, make sure you're going back in, checking that. Everything is in by week. I have also updated Progress Book to list assignments by week, so you know where to go. They should match up. So today, the big takeaway is to make sure that we are proofreading and editing. I want to see spaces between sentences, periods at the end of sentences, capital letters at the start of sentences, and for proper nouns, names, cities. Basic stuff that we know, but we get a little lazy with social media. I'm occasionally guilty of it too. So just a chance to go over, check your work, make sure you're not missing any words, you didn't miss a the or to or goes somewhere in between. Reach out with questions, concerns, and I hope you all have a wonderful long weekend. You guys enjoy it, you deserve it, and I will see y'all on Monday morning.